reptiles and birds. So I was watching a video on YouTube, of course. Noticed a piece that I had. Somehow I was looking at fossils, and this is a bird head. You can see where the spine connected here to the head. Don't know how long it sat in that creek, but it's heavy like a rock. Don't know if it's the bottom part of the jaw or the top, but you can see the two connectors, like mandible. And then found another snake head, and this one's pretty cool because it's still got the scale on it. Where they just said that? Over here. See the snake skin on it? Then when I was hunting for shorts, this is definitely a piece of scale somehow. Could be fish, could be reptile, I don't know.